100 years ago.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a little makeover in the little cave area in my bedroom. I'm going to turn it into a small office area for me because Lord knows I need it, you guys. With 2 YouTube channels and an Etsy shop, I need my own space. So I don't know how we're going to do it, but we're going to do it. So we bought the furniture. We bought a desk from Amazon, which I will also link down in my description box. And then we got like this 4 cubby set from Walmart that I'm going to show you so that I can store my paints and my paintbrushes and stuff. So let me show you guys that. So my husband's getting ready to put the desk together for me, and then we got the 4 cubby set from Walmart. So hopefully that will go right under that shelf over there, so it can help me with storage, because you guys, I have a lot of supplies that I need to put away. So yesterday we went to Walmart and we got these cubbies from there. This was, how much was this, babe?
$6.98.
$6.98. So I actually vlogged it, you guys, and it's over on my vlogging channel. So if you guys want to watch that, I pretty much vlogged the whole shopping trip. So the link will be down in my description box. So we're getting ready to do that whole area over there, and you guys, I am so excited. So there was actually 2 shelves over here, and then our weight set, we took one of the shelves out so we could fit the 4 cubby set, and we patched the holes up. Well, my husband did. I can't even take credit for that. Patched the holes up, painted the walls. I had a mirror right here, got rid of that, and then I added a monthly calendar thing so I could keep track of my stuff. And then I got a picture to put right here. So I can't wait to get this whole process started. So I have, with having an Etsy shop, I have a lot of tools, you guys. So all this stuff I need to be able to organize there, and a lot of paints and a lot of stuff like paints and stuff that I need to put in those cubby sets. And it's pretty much all in my kitchen. I pretty much turned my kitchen table into a office because that's how I've been working. So hopefully that will help hopefully the little office will help the storage problem that I'm having right now. While my husband was putting the desk together, I decided to come in here and wipe down the baseboards, which weren't too bad because it hasn't been that long ago since I actually wiped them down. Let me just go ahead and apologize for the fact that this video is like 17-18 minutes long. I know you guys have been very vocal that my past few videos have been too short, and y'all, I am so sorry. I'm taking it as a compliment that you would like a longer video, but I just wanted to see where my videos were too long, if you guys prefer shorter videos, and I obviously see that you guys do not. So my next few videos will definitely be a lot longer, y'all. I apologize, but hold up, y'all. Y'all definitely made sure to let me know y'all wanted longer videos. Even one of y'all even asked me, was I okay? Oh my God. That's okay. That's okay. I'm sorry.
You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me.
I was on a budget when it came to decorating this space. I didn't want to overspend, so this desk was like $54 or something like that on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave it down in my description box. But one of the positives about it is that it came with its own cubby, so that was a plus.
Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my
Okay, y'all, so we had to actually move the table because we had measured this area But this area is not, how do I explain it, John?
It's not square.
It's not perfectly square, so it was not able to fit there. So it's gonna be, the table's gonna be facing this way. And what I love about this desk is that it comes with these little these cubbies with itself, so it also helps as far as storage, so that's good. So what I wanted to do, I'm going to move this calendar over to this side and then put my picture up there instead. So can't wait to see how it turns out. I actually like it facing this way anyway. I kind of like it. I got this picture yesterday from Hobby Lobby that says "This is us," and this was actually $34.99, but it was 50% off, so I didn't pay $34.99. That's the best time you want to shop at Hobby Lobby. So that's what's gonna go over there on that wall. I can't wait. I love it.
To me, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some.
So to wipe down the table, I'll be using the Method Wood for Good cleaner. For you guys, I love this cleaner. It smells so good. The smell of almond. I didn't know almond could actually smell this good, but I definitely can. So I wanted to wipe it down from all the finger marks and stuff.
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see.
I got this greenery pot from TJ Maxx. It was $9.99. I love greenery. I love decorating with greenery, but I also vlogged the whole shop with me inside the store and everything, and that's over on my vlogging channel, so I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description box. And this little stand is something that we made, and it's in my Etsy shop if you're looking for like a stand like this. So I added a little birdhouse that I got from Atlanta and a candle, which by the way, these DW candles, you can find them at Home Goods, Marshalls, and TJ Maxx. And I have been loving them because normally I was a die-hard Bath and Body Works candle hog, but they have not been having any good sales, and the sales that they so-called been coming out with is not good enough. So plus they have not been sending me any coupons, so I just been getting my candles from TJ Maxx. So I've been trying these DW brand candles and I love them, and it's cheaper. When it comes to decorating, I'm constantly moving things around to see what looks good. So this greenery actually came from my laundry room, and I ended up switching it again. So what you see here might not look like the same at the end. And this frame actually came from the Dollar Tree, and I have quite a few Dollar Tree frames just sitting around the house that I have not used yet. You know how you go to Dollar Tree, you buy it because it's cute, but you have no idea what you're gonna do with it. Well, I'm glad that I have it because I was able to put a picture frame of my kids when they were little, and they were super cute back in the day. They're cute now too, but you know, when they're little, they're extra cute. So I added the picture, and I think it looks great.
Yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it. No matter how I feel. Yeah, 'cause you heal my.
While I was messing around decorating in there, my husband was putting the 4-cube stand together for me, and while he was doing that, I went ahead and started painting some areas that I noticed. I noticed a scratch on that wall, so I painted that, and then I found a bunch of more scratches, and then I started painting the side of the walls, which we always keep paint around, so whenever we see scratches or anything like that, we could just paint over it. So that's a good thing to do. Also, the night before, I had washed my hair. So story time. Anyway, I started washing my hair, and then because y'all know I had the braids in, so I took my hair out, washed it, cut the split ends, and then I twisted it up. So that's why you guys see me in twist in this video, because it took me over an hour and a half to do, and I was not gonna untwist my hair just so I could decorate my office area. So y'all gonna have to just deal with my silly twist.
Came around, I could see. All I see is tomorrow. friend of mine who saw you just the other day. Oh, I guess that you were back in town. It's been a long time since you've been around. Remember when we used to make the streets unsafe together, baby? We were young and foolish then. Oh, how I wish we could go back again. I've decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart, hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down to memory lane. There are two hearts beating, just nothing will ever be the same. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout, I love that I love you.
Whenever I do anything, I always think of the future. So when I was decorating this, I'm like, oh my God, when I decorate for fall, I could decorate this area for fall, for Halloween, for Christmas. I'm so excited to decorate this area for Christmas. And I have been making my own wood signs. So I was thinking of making a fall sign for this area and a Christmas sign for this area. But just decorating my little office area, I was already thinking about the seasonal decor, y'all.
If you want, I'll come back again. I know I changed my mind too many times. If I say that I still love you, babe, would you leave all bad things behind?
So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. So if you are, make sure you hit that like button and make sure that notification is turned on so you don't miss any one of my videos.
Now I'm not playing hard to get. I decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart, hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down to memory lane. There are two hearts beating, just nothing will ever be the same. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout, I love that I love you. Wanna shout, I love that I love you, baby. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout, wanna shout that I love you, baby, yeah, yeah, oh,
So I have some paint. This I didn't want to take them out of their container because then it'll be too many bottles just thrown in here everywhere. So I just left it like that. And then here's where I have the big bottles and the paint brushes. And I also left that in its container. Right here, I got a lot of my wood stuff, and this one is empty so far. So this is what it came out to be, and I absolutely love it, y'all. So now it's time to set this room back straight. I have stuff everywhere just so that I'm able to tackle this area. So I have a mess, time to clean up. Another reason I'm so glad that I fixed that area up is we are doing virtual learning. Our district, the kids were supposed to start school on the 3rd, which was supposed to be this Monday. But they pushed it back a whole month just to see if the numbers keep rising. But what they're planning on doing, at least in our school district here, they're doing Monday through Thursday in person or virtual learning. Monday through Thursday, and then Friday they would disinfect the schools, or just straight up virtual learning for the first 9 weeks of school. We chose to do virtual learning. The kids were not happy. Like, I'm pretty sure you guys can tell Destiny is a social butterfly, and she'd rather would be with her friends. But I had to explain to her that we're keeping them home because she is asthmatic, and so is my son David. They've both been in ICU because of it. So we decided to keep them home, but everyone's situation is completely different, so I don't judge anybody. So comment down below, what are you guys planning on doing when it comes to schooling? Destiny will be working on her schoolwork in that office area right there, so I'm so glad that I was able to fix that area. far, this cordless vacuum has been doing a pretty good job. I have been enjoying using it. I still use my regular vacuum for the deeper cleans, but when I'm doing like a quick clean like this, I'm just using my cordless vacuum. Y'all guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.